am amazed on how people now pay attention to detail. And I use that to our advantage. Guys, si Brother Nixon nga pala, mga kaibigan natin. Ibenta to ng mga watch day. Siyempre, kilala niya na to, di ba? Matagal niya ng tropa to. Order sa atin si Brother Nixon.
NANI?! Omae wa mou shindeiru.
Sige ng watch eh. Ang CNY, tumitingin sa relo talaga. Yung mga mga watch eh. CNY jacket na olive green. Pangregalo ko kay wife, di ba bro? Size XS, di ba? Tingnan mo yung XS. I'm gonna get it. Nandun ba? Or nandito? Nandun. Kunin ko na bro. Tingnan mo ako ha. Nagkapi ka na ba? Coffee ka muna.
Sige na, gusto ko kate. Ice or hot?
Ikaw ba ba?
Oh! Wow! Ice ka na. Ako na kayo, decide. Kaya natin masubukan.
Oh, ito. Sobrang ano to. Sobrang uso ngayon.
Underrated Underrated.
Ito Bo. Tansya yung size. Diba ito XS to? Malaki diba? So ito Bo. And we agreed naman dito na nag-usap na tayo. So sold this for 40,000 pesos. Yung selling natin for this jacket. So ayan. Okay na to. Sige bro, balot ko lang. Tapos ano na. Thank you.
Wow! Ito, parang permit plus. Ito natin. Yun!
Kamusta? Kamusta?
Galing na.
Kamusta bro? How's business?
Sakto lang. Kasi papasok ng
January. Yeah, February. Kamusta?
February parang
Diba?
normal.
Normal.
Gusto ko yung
Mas okay yung
siguro
January.
nag-ramp up pa yung February.
Okay. Masarap, masarap. Ano yan, ang cost niyan yung roaster na ni Carl, traded it for a Rolex din.
Wow.
Roaster kasi bro, pag bumili ka ng coffee beans kasi, i-roast pa yun to a certain level.
So you can control yung talagang ano niya.
Yung lasa talaga niya bro.
Yung tapang lasa or light or
May ginagawa kami process din ng profile. Yun ang sabi niyo kanina. Dark roast, lighter roast. Depende sa client.
So parang si Carl, yung
From the
fluid beans,
origin.
yun. From the start.
parang
Ang hindi niya ginagawa yung pagtatanim. Ginagawa ko lang, yung nagtanim sa yung nagtanim ng beans na gano'n.
Pero nag-aalala ko ng Specialty Coffee Association. Dati kami yun, Specialty Coffee Association of America yun, SCA. Tinanggal nila kasi syempre.
It's not just exclusive to
Hindi naman sa
America.
Amerika eh. May Vietnamese, may from Africa, may
And if I'm pa ako dyan, Bo,
Oh, ano yan?
alam niyo ba na kasi nabanggit na yung SAE hindi lang siya sa Amerika and it's global. Pero very interesting. Did you know that in Japan, paano naging napasok ng Nescafe in Japan? What marketing strategy they did? Do you guys know?
Hindi ba?
Hindi nyo alam yan? Okay, you can research this. Very interesting to So Japan, before, not sure whether you're na, pero Japan was a very tea kind of country. And then coffee is not something that people drink there. And Nescafe, being a big company, they wanted to penetrate the market of Japan and they wanted to introduce coffee. But it's very hard because people didn't like coffee there. Sobrang galing ng marketing. This is what they did. They hired someone na marketing specialist to think of how they can penetrate the market and change the culture. And what this person did, he said, if you want to penetrate Japan and make it a coffee country, give me 20 years. He introduced a cartoon character targeting yung mga bata that's about coffee, and then he made a candy na hindi mo na coffee, candy na associated dun sa cartoon character na coffee flavor. So when these people grew up, the next generation, 20 years after, when they introduce coffee, creates a nostalgic feeling that takes them back to their childhood, and that's how they penetrate the market and how they market the coffee. Ganun kalupit yung marketing.
pasok nila, no?
Ganun kalupit, bro.
Bata
Hindi
pa
lang
lang.
bata. Yung tinarget nila yung generation kasi hindi na nila mababago yung culture ng mga ano eh.
galing mo, no?
Existing na ano, di ba? Ang galing, no? Di ba? So,
Gawa tayo ng ano, cartoon characters.
na nagsasapos. 20 years pa. 20 years pa bago. Sobrang sakto yung planning. Sobrang galing. You can research that, guys, ah.
May observation mo, di ba? Kasi yung matcha lesson.
Ayun, ayun pa, oo.
Anong may observation sa locals? Hindi sila masyadong
Yung mga matcha.
Coffee sila.
Shoes din naman yun. Like, the shoes people were already contented before with the same brands. Jordans, Adidas, yun naman talaga. That was the basis. But now, they're not just satisfied na okay, I'm gonna buy Nike. They're sa certain, kumbaga personality na, doesn't matter kung anong industry, whether it's food, or fashion, or even watches in general, the more nagpo-progress, the more people learn about it, the more variation comes.
I think because of ano din, how fast information spreads. Like,
Ay, oo, totoo.
Social media.
Actually, it's the same, even with us, di ba? With the bags, with the brands that we carry. We tend to go the other way around. We tend to, try to find products that are very specifically unique. Surprisingly, may mga customers na darating. Me personally, I like Amiri. I don't know anyone else that likes it. Pero I'm surprised na minsan may pumunta ng customer and they're gonna order. Pre-order na Amiri, tapos nag-research na sila, nasabihin pa nila sa akin, wala na to sa site eh. Wala na to sa US. Sabi ko, okay, so there's another person that actually does the research and the information sa Beer Boy. I don't need to actually defend
Oo.
why,
Introduce anymore.
introduce ano tong brand na to, where it originated, or how much, alam niya na. But if you have to defend why, then that just means that possibly it's not the target market for that product, di ba?
How do you market na meron kang available na ganito?
I'm amazed on how people now pay attention to detail, and I use that to our advantage. Like for example, I won't market that maybe we have an RN or we have a Muhammad Ali cap. I will never market that. But right now we're talking, people are gonna notice. Kahit na si camera nasa atin, and then we're talking, people notice. It's what they see. So it's funny, and then they're gonna inquire. They saw it, they're more attentive to detail. Even if the things na hindi mo pinupost, hindi mo minarket. Funny thing is, I think it's a human reflex that when you sell to them, when you say na, hey, we have this cap available, limited to, and you show it to them, they feel like they're being sold to. So the more they're repulsive to watch, to consume the content or to consume yung product, pero the more na you just allow them, yung interest nila nagtipig, sila pa yung natatanong, may nakita akong shoe sa background, magkano yun? Ano yun?
That's organic marketing kasi organic siya, hindi mo na in-advertise.
Correct. What we're trying to advertise is the experience. That's why when we do the vlogs, we try to avoid na parang it's all about, okay, how much, and then na-sold namin. Kasi most of the time, that's also what the vlogs look like eh. Isa namin kasi, what we're trying to market is how we assist the customer, what's the experience. Even now, going on tayo dito ngayon, pero you just bought a jacket, pero we enjoy the experience of talking not just about sneakers, but also watches, business, and everything. Kasi it's also the passion that Carl and I have. It's about people, it's about connecting, shared interests, di ba? May common ground. So we're trying to tell people that you can go here, even if you do buy, then that's good. But even if you don't buy, that's also okay. Visit us and then let's have a conversation, we have interest in this and that. I think it's about connecting with people, and I think that's what we're trying to market. Kaya we never market the product eh.